Orlando Pirates management, they were very clear in the type of coach that they want. And then Bartolotto what do the stock that he needed in terms of the player. And depth here, Orlando Pirates cannot be questioned. In every single position, there's minimum 2 players that can be able to step up. But I put it to you, I got one on the commission, so I put it to you that Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates have...
And as a coach, you can motivate it from here to London and back. They won't listen. They say, we want you to play the best team that is there.
But Liteng Molwane is also got to keep in mind, different teams have got different ambitions. Amazulu are saying we need to climb this league as high as possible. In climbing as high as possible, if this one works, why are you changing it? No,
Cut.
Unga the departing one to Chicago Fire. Kanga Pambili kanga move via TLB.
And then yeah, dancing.
Ya dancing weekend ya mo le yona.
Ya Moremi.
La lo rena kuta bohloko ka dancing.
Ya Moremi.
No mara ya Moremi tla ba number 4.
I'm just asking ka bo
na le goal tse di bona once mo seasoning.
Not in a season in your lifetime.
Yeah. So yele hana mo boka repeat up mshem no. In fact ka ofela batho ba ka repeat. Tom is the one that takes the headline. One of the problems Goring, he is consistent at making bad decisions. And Ramon Lega VAR, because Abongile Tom was supposed to have awarded Gabon a penalty, as we said the last time. I share for 3 minutes for why Tinzabonar no. Marahonaji, as a Sundown supporter, Sundowns will be playing their first game in 2026 without Tebogo Mokoena. 2026, against senior citizens. These senior citizens are above us. And Abongile Tom is now costing us over a very clear Paul.
Yeah. Matsetseleko, Mretito, Butsi, Dula we meet. Letsatsi la gompieno le lengwe gape botho wetso e re ke go ya pele ka puo ya seng batle ba re good afternoon and welcome to the show matsetseleko bontate dumelang
Molwane dumela
baba
I'll do me ka ro pala me pere
no
Molwane dumela mapele ai ke matswile ke mang a tsuhileng
nna ne ke re batho ba holo ke bona ba tla dumela pele because ke di finalist ba thabile
okay right
mara no wa bona atula
re ke thula o no dumisa nna ka patse ka pampa
le ka ofela
Masiara Butu
hallelujah
Luvwane
ke rata stoko
ke bracket
where's the money back
in the boot
hallelujah
seletso plus matatsinga
yo oh what a week what a weekend what a year what a month bafethu dilo di fetogile coach Wadu yo mongwe le mongwe na sa tshepe tota gana fitla go stopeng sa Orlando Pirates gore go tla iragalang mme ba banang le litho le lentle ba mmone hana gore ga Afrika Borwa o tlhabile setlhopha sa Orlando Pirates malobanyana fale ba ba mthedwa o tla mentiona moraga gore a latlhegelwe metshameko le mebedi o tla mentiona gore he is the best coach of Orlando Pirates me seo se simolla go ipontsha o ya kae o go godimo ga setlhopha sa lega moragana go etelele go into the break Pirates ba pala me setlhopha sa league nna ke gopola mantso ga Governor Hunt Amaloba o itse to win the league you need 30 points before ra go tswala how boa you need another 30 so the stepilo ke AFCON me Orlando Pirates 28 Mamelodi Sundowns 26 yes
and then Chiefs
Makhosi 25
funny enough being in South African football ona le mo ratang go sebedisa di stats ona le mo ratang go sebedisa
na koge
and no mamela pa
ka re next
Orlando Pirates management, they were very clear in the type of coach that they want. And then Bartolotto what do the stock that he needed in terms of the player. And depth here, Orlando Pirates cannot be questioned. In every single position, there's minimum 2 players that can be able to step up. But I put it to you, I got one on the commission, so I put it to you that Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates have regressed.
hallelujah
Nah, ntho tse ngata ke ga ke bua ho thwe ke entseng a ka etsang. Before we even continue, Tshepo, I just want to let our people know that remember we live on TikTok. Tshepo Maimane. What's your TikTok again, Coach?
Tshepo Maimane 567.
Yeah, Tshepo Maimane 567, Tampoza 29. Yeah, and on mine, Baba Mthethwa 8. We're also live on Audio Omni Africa. That's where we live right now. So on our TikToks, Mpo at Tampoza 29 on TikTok, Baba Mthethwa 8, and Tshepo Maimane
657.
657. So, all right. I think Tshepo, we need to dissect Wadu. Starting from when he arrived here, when he went to Marumo Gallants, before he even jumped into Pirates. What did he do there? Did he bring any changes? Yes, he did. From a non-starter of a team to a very unpredictable team that played sophisticated football. And when he left, I knew like 3 months before the end of the season that already was being targeted. People don't know how Wadu ended up in South Africa. He was brought here via somewhere to Pirates.
Okay. So
It was en route to Pirates.
Okay.
In the meantime, he knew players that he wanted to sign after he joins Orlando Pirates.
That's why Narna Shebile Mbule.
There were players that he was looking at prior to him joining Pirates, still at Marumo Gallants. One of them is Sipombule. And one of his players in Nemtajela at Marumo Gallants. And other players that were brought in. Yeah. And you know, there's something about Pirates. Pirates is very meticulous when it comes to signing players. They keep quiet. They don't hint anything. You just see a player arriving. Say, how? We never thought, but the player is there. Which is good for business for them, because you might attract unwanted eyes and attention to the players that you want, who can probably have more money than what you want to spend on the players signing on fee,
No,
or
you can
maybe
say
buying a
Sundowns.
product.
You can say Sundowns because there's not many that can beat Pirates but Sundowns.
Okay, another team from over the Jaskei River. So, Coach Wadu then showed that he's capable. When he arrived at Pirates, surely the old squad that played last season and the season before was still intact under Coach Jose Riviero. And he knew that he wanted to change things around. The mandate is very clear. Win Champions League and the league. Trophies we shall see. If it comes, it came. But the mandate is clear. Champions League and the league. It's been long. It's been long. 2011, 2012 and 1995. It's far too long. Well, better than others. Anyway, in that sense, you find that Coach Wadu became a subject of people saying very bad things, very wrong words uttered about his capabilities, and that's how South African football fans are. But we don't have patience. I always make example about coaches from abroad. Look at the coach at Newcastle. How long has he been there?
This is his
Only one trophy. Yeah. Look at Sir Alex Ferguson. Before he won anything at Manchester United, I think it took him about 10, I think, if not 15 years to win the first thing. After he won the only trophy at Dundee United. Then came to Manchester United. Then thereafter, I started winning all things. Then the slump came. Still there. Look at a coach at Napoli. Napoli last won the league before they won it now twice when Maradona was still there.
Yeah.
You see, but they kept that coach for some time, Spalletti. They kept him for so long time. Eventually they won it. And then they've won it again now. So the trend is now that they know their championship material and contenders. Go back to Wadu. Wadu has transformed Pirates into a working machine. It's not work in progress, no. It's a working machine. When you go in there, you must perform and deliver. Simple as that. People are saying, but why is it not the team was playing well? Why did he change the team? It's sometimes every coach will play to what he wants and what he understands will suit him. Example, Mabasa is not playing. Okay, but he's still part of the team. And I don't know until when. But as and when he's required to play, he comes in and scores. See? But then he's got his core team that he knows. From this core team, these players can work for me.
Mpo, Kabukutuan, what type of a coach is Coach Wadu? If you break him down as a coach, El Khalomoni, as Orlando Pirates, Lana Marumo.
I think what Coach Wadu has done and managed to do very well is to understand who he's coaching. Maybe Cardoso does not understand who he's coaching. When you then look at Coach Wadu, he understands how Pirates plays. Pirates has always been strong in terms of wing plays. Pirates has always been strong in terms of making sure they play with pace. You look at both Joseph Ngake. You can go through many wingers, both continentally. You look at Bolikulia. All those have been players that are very good in terms of width. Close to Hulela. Cheese Boy, so all those players, wing players, always been good. Now, Coach Wadu understand that. That's why Police, Moremi, those are the players that he uses very well. And then he's able to now say, but I like this creativity in the middle.
Yeah.
And the creativity in the middle of midfielders, Orlando Pirates' leading goal scorer of all time is a midfielder.
So Villagas.
So it means that you use those, but you're still able to have people that are very strong in terms of what they're able to give you in the middle. And Coach Wadu has said, let me embrace that culture and play to that culture. And therefore, that's why you are seeing him doing so well.
Can I ask you a question, Tamposa? Does it mean that football has evolved, that midfielders now score more goals than the actual strikers, or is it a combination of two?
I think it's a combination of two, because you're now having Apolis plays on the wing. Mara, he plays on the left most of the time, which means he cuts on his right. Yes, on the right, he'll also come in and play. Mara, you're now having wingers that have to now start converting more. And you also need to be able to say, it is okay not to have the strikers as your main source of scoring. Because Orlando Pirates at the moment, they're not relying on Amahopa or Mabasa to be able to score goals. But their midfielders are contributing week in and week out to be able to lead to that. And it's about saying, let your midfielders know, when you get an opportunity, finish this thing off.
I think we look at Orlando Pirates now. They change that system of playing speed on the wings. The small pockets, the spaces. There's something that Mozambique Orlando Pirates Malobasi Builing Tego Modise last time, he said, in this football, modern football, you need a 10, a passing ball to someone to score, not to someone to cross. If you look at Rele Mufuki, it's what he's doing right now. He passed the ball to you to score, not to you to cross. And how I'm telling you.
No, I'll check it really. And I'll take
really, when he pass you to score.
No, it's not really.
Really
make sure that no. And I think if Copares penalty bonus, Hoto must make sure he gives this bonus to Really. Because Reluta Shapa one pass that releases Hoto, just for Hoto to cross and finish. Yes. Go back to the MT8 final. Really passes for somebody to cross to the finisher. So when you look at that, and the debate that Orlando Pirates, and that's a headache that Wadu has, do you play Really at 10 or do you play Mbule? Mbule will come with the hype and he will do his thing. But when you want result, you've signed a new player. Kenya Really mole. Because Really is very decisive with his passing.
Yeah.
Go look at the goals that when Pirates was playing in the finals, and go look at when Mahopa scored. You are able to say that pass Really passes 5 people. 5 defenders that makes them. I mean, we be a commentator. Hey man, so when you then look at that, you're able to say, So when you then look at that, you're able to say that becomes a point of contest, because is Mbule your best number 10 or is Really your best number 10?
I think that is good for a team. How look at this? I want to look at an obvious lineup. tshwanetse ya go robala o bopa ke tlhogo ya gore ke qala ka mang based on the strengths of the opponents.
Look, I mean, remember, Anerubula Kitse, Pirates has regressed. The Sundowns has regressed. Because last season at this time, in terms of the league, Arso Kenimoni finally, Mapagani, Skalantwanza, Ratseba or the finaling, Bafetu, Ratseba or Barley has collected this trophy. Mara. Pirates at this time last season had passed 30 points. This now, Pirates are on 28 points. Sundowns was on 36 points. Now they're on 26 points. Regression has happened. But what has happened is that the landscape has changed. 28 gets you to be on top. Or maybe Pirates may not have regressed, may have been consistent, and just Sundowns has regressed that badly.
How about Pirates has
Been consistent.
been consistent and at top of the lock? So even though they're not at 30 points,
Yes,
they're
they are
2
on top.
points away from 30 points,
Previous.
but on top of the
Sundowns
lock.
are a gap too far
Yeah.
because on
Yeah.
36 the last time versus
You see now.
where you are.
See,
No,
and
good one.
Pirates still has a game in hand as well.
one,
We
wow.
know the problem of games in hand at Pirates. They never use it.
Look, this season
But
it's a
they-
different Pirates.
yeah.
This season it's a different
I'm
Pirates.
worried though. I'm worried though.
This season it's a different Pirates with the help of Brabongile. Sorry. This season it's a very
Sorry.
different.
Why help of who?
Fella, you must understand.
Mtabeli, help of who?
You got 1 point goal Loftus because Abongile made sure that Tebogo Mokoena did not play in that game.
Yo.
Was a one zim.
Yeah, matata mawelana.
And he's made sure that by January, when we come back, Tebogo Mokoena is again not available.
Abongile
Ke thabela hore a le hane.
ke tla tabogela ko tlase. Me this one ke tla sparela for the last segment of the show. Ba mamedi le ba retsi go gae. Ba tshepisa gore re tlo bua ka yona. Kaizer Chiefs ba tswile ba ya ko Gqeberha to play cheaper. Ba ba leng ko tlase, bottom of the league. So seo se go ra se re go diragalang go stopeng sa Kaizer Chiefs. Tshameka maleka a motho tla reng re tshepetse dipholo go tswa mo gone.
I think Butata Barona Kibo Bratepo, Le Molwane. What was the expectation ka Chiefs when the season started? Because sometimes we knew we've got different ambitions. Mapagania, the ambition was very clear. Pidori, you've had this thing for too long, we want to be able to take it. Sundowns was maintain this thing and look after it. You need to be able to say, can we keep this thing? That's the mandate, sir. Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. The mandate is we must win this thing. Chiefs can never be in that conversation of winning the league. Chiefs were not in the top 8. Their mission is to let's get into the top 8. Yeah, you remember the Chiefs of old. Mara, the Chiefs of now
Yes.
was not in the top 8 for the past 2 seasons.
Yes.
Now they just need to be able to say they're in the top 8. And when you then again, the stats, Chiefs has improved
Improved.
compared to where they were last season.
Yes.
Chiefs has improved. So their mission versus, do not compare the Chiefs mission and the Pirates and Sundowns mission. The Chiefs mission is to let's get into the top 8. The Pirates mission is to let's win this thing. The Sundowns mission is to we're not letting it go.
Can I ask you this? Is there a problem at Kaizer Chiefs?
Nazoke. Basha.
Guningi with Chiefs. And
Please break it down. There's a group of new players. Amatata ke squad se bana le shona. Abasana mokatisi ba kana ba kgaogana le mokatisi wa bone Mohamed Nabi. Ba dirisa
KK.
thusa mokatisi
KK.
le translator ya Maloba.
RKK.
Okay.
Kahule.
no, so Mara must understand. Let's go back to history. Translators make for the best coaches.
But we said we should not look at history. Can't do one.
No, Mara, no.
Aye.
No.
Jose
Baba,
Mourinho was a
mo-
translator to Bobby Robson when he went to
I
Barcelona.
know that and I agree.
And Jose Mourinho turned out to be a brilliant coach. So KK came as a translator to Nabi. And he's got national team pedigree. He's coached the national team. He knows development football very well. So, and the other thing, look, Kaizer Chiefs is not going to be instant. I see 2-minute noodle that's going to fix that thing. You need to be able to say it's a 3 to 5 year project that will be able to make Chiefs to go to format. One swallow being the Nedbank Cup does not mean all is well.
But we're talking about a team that is on number 4 playing Confederations Cup.
So, but what was their mission? Their mission is can we get to top 8? If anybody believed that besides for the ownership of Kaizer Chiefs and the Chiefs were going to win the league, because I can say Pirates were contenders of the league, Sundowns were contenders because you look at their squad, there's continuity with a lot of players. You've got players that have got battle proofs. We've been to the continent, we want to be able to win this thing. Pirates has been number 2 for how many seasons? So they're saying this number 2 thing must go. Chiefs was not even number 8. Half of the players that are there, Velaba is not proven. Are they brilliant youngsters? Very brilliant. But a lot of those youngsters still need to be able to be proven, be it on the continent, be it locally. Yes, we've got a couple of players like Serino, Bomabue, who have got proof that they're able to do this thing. They've got that experience and the pedigree. Mara, they need to bond together and be able to say. And then, in the words of Autiaga Bariki Papi, Chama boy Miguel must be serious about football. Atwelo Ramo, and then donating at the back because he's a senior citizen.
How Ramo, South Africa, requires into time.
No, like you
want to Ramo,
you want to run when it's a Ramo.
Okay. Miguel Olomu, when thing. It's a way.
Ramo, Chama boy.
Miguel, watch chips with the way.
They kick fresh air.
Who's the fresh air?
I said, Nike.
No, Miguel.
And
there's footage of that. Yes. You can go Bonara fresh air. Mara, he's a senior player because also from Pedro with the pedigree of having played in the Champions League.
Not once.
Been a champion.
Not once.
Pedro is one of those teams that's been very
6
difficult.
times.
They would get to the quarterfinals and push for the semi-finals of the Champions League. So he's got the pedigree. How do you mend them together so that as a squad, as a collective, they're able to move forward? Compare the Chiefs squad with a lot of youngsters. The Pirates youngsters arrive at a team that's doing well. A team that's got Makaula, that's got Mbata, that's got Bo Dlamini, who are midfield, Bo Tito, who are saying, Bo Chaine, who is saying, we've been here, we've even gone to the continent, including the national team.
I was looking at Athazwani's squad playing against the Golden Arrows. You know, when they say the team is new, I saw Kaslopas Amazulu. I think 6 players were under 23.
Yeah.
So, coaching. Let's talk about coaching against the young players.
You need to remember Amazulu went through a lot of transition in terms of Kamoho, they assembled their squad.
Yes.
They had a lot of senior citizens.
Too much.
They had a lot of Bo Rama, they were there. And there was a lot of players that one needed to be able to say it's their last legs that they were on. And now they needed to be able to revamp the squad and do a squad evolution. In that squad changing, it has now mentored. Now you get a lot of youngsters. I mean, you had Ethan Brooks who were there. So now you're saying get some youngsters with some experience. But that experience needs to be able to rub off on the youngsters. And you are seeing it. Bohanimu, Bobo Mteto have been there. Because, I mean, Mteto's got a lot of experience having come from Orlando Pirates. And you've got Zungu, who then came from Mamelodi Sundowns, plus the international experience that he comes with. You mix all those things together. You get them a decent goalkeeper. They look like a different
Johnson.
team.
But there must be a proper coaching.
Because the one thing that the Amazulu lacked last season was their goalkeepers were full of errors. You would remember that's what used to happen. So now you've got a goalkeeper that's...
they brought also a young goalkeeper all the way to Mzimela.
He's proving himself to say, I'm going to be able to get... Because most of the games, 1-0 should win you a game if you've got a good goalkeeper. Where SK Amazulu, you needed to score more than 1 goal because you knew Bobo Vulega Moli.
Are you calling Veli Mutam Bobo Vulega?
No, Veli Mutam had good experience. Mara Veli, and he and at that point of last season, Veli Nailing
o tswa ere are you calling vele mutha o rona buleile
no nabulei.
Pascal Abitsa Veli yalo.
one zile ke a tell
So Veli was a player of the season kana kwa Benny McCarthy.
No.
Made sure gore Mazulu became number 2. Make sure gore Mazulu compete in the CAF Confederations Cup.
I don't dispute
That's
that.
very more.
arsa history
Last season.
lite no history
No.
Last season. So let's call it last season. How many games could have either drawn or won? Mara, because of goalkeeping errors, Amazulu found themselves
where they were. Agreed. I agree 100%.
Ke dingwe tsa dilo tse ke ratang go di emphasize tata yang on the street ha ke tlotla ditsala tsa ka gore o na le goalkeeper tse 3 baba. Number 1, number 3 ya go ba name. Na number 1 goalkeeper. And then you play game ya Premier Soccer League ya Bedway during the week. And then ka weekend to na le game ya cup. But you still use your number 1 go di game in the cup. Why can't you just rotate? Why so about rotating now? So
But-
that how ta go ba le mathata. O bona le someone o na le that o sa teng go simolola mo fatshe to adapt le sense se tsa gala.
Tsepo, teams do not have the same capabilities in terms of financial muscle. Imagine a team like, example, Magesi playing in a knockout on Wednesday and play the same team, and then Saturday they're playing the league or vice versa. What they're looking at is to make as much money as possible by applying the best to play for them. At the same time, unfortunately, they don't have depth. Just make an example. How many teams has got depth that Pirates, Sundowns have in the league? Not many. How many teams in the league has got financial muscle that Pirates and Sundowns has? Not many. So I don't falter them by not playing the reserve 2 goalkeepers. But it would be good for them to play in the season somewhere. But for them wanting to win a trophy, like Marumo Gallant's example, they're going to play Arubi
Washington.
no matter what, for a reason that they want the prize. The main thing here, which is a catalyst for them to play that person and to say we want him to play, it's because they're looking at, can we play that one to cross over the bridge, or play this one to cross over? Washington will make them cross over. He's a good shot stopper. At 40 years old, he's one of the best goalkeepers we have in the country currently.
And a good penalty stopper.
And he can also stop penalties. Knockouts can go to penalties. So somewhere, somehow, that's the reasoning behind it. But Kai, it stops the other players when the team to be motivated to want to stay in the team, because they know as long as Arubi is not injured or suspended, I won't play. But you knew when you signed the contract that there's number 1 goalkeeper and you're going to be number 2 or number 3. So why the fuss now? You see, because the coaches never risk his job, risk losing money for the club by playing a second goalkeeper when the best goalkeeper is available. It's an example. So I don't think it's about a player being poor in terms of confidence or maybe performance. It's all about what the coach sees best for the team. And management will ask you, why are you playing Poza and not play Tsepo? Because Tsepo is available and he's our best goalkeeper. You see? So they'll ask you that. And then you have to answer as a coach. You can motivate it from here to London and back. They won't listen. They say, we want you to play the best team that is there.
But Liteng Molwane is also got to keep in mind, different teams have got different ambitions. Amazulu are saying we need to climb this league as high as possible. In climbing as high as possible, if this one works, why are you changing it?
It's an English idiom that says, why break what is not broken?
Honaji.
Because even on that game, they didn't start with Oluetu. Oluetu come because Johnson was injured.
Yeah, Mara.
See.
Honaji.
See, exactly what I said.
Eriku, for an example, you can have players that are not of the same quality but in the same position. Point in case Orlando Pirates. If China gets injured, Sheng is not the same quality as China.
Look, don't even go far. Even if at every club, there's 2 goalkeepers that are goalkeepers, but different
far
leagues.
apart.
Different leagues. Kaizer Chiefs, let's look at Bruce Vuma and Pedersen. I still cry why Pedersen is not going to AFCON. I'm still crying about that. You know, he's a very good, compared to Ricardo Goss, he's a better goalkeeper. Not best, but better. Now, let's move far away from that one. Go to Pirates, Buthelezi and Chain. See,
Go to Sundowns.
big difference. Then go to Sundowns.
The
You have
senior
two.
citizen. And,
The senior citizen is
Yes,
still
yeah.
there and has never played, maybe he hasn't played one game.
He's played less than 10 games in the last.
7, 8
seasons.
years or something like that. That's Riyad Pedersen. One of my favorite players when he's playing. Then look at
Riyad
other,
is number 3, ne?
look at
Dennis.
There's Dennis Onyango as well.
Dennis is number
So
2.
he's still falling down in the ladder. Then go to Stellenbosch. You have
Oscarin Masuluke.
Oscarin.
Seth
You've got
Stephens.
Seth Sage Stevens.
Skabitsa Oscarina ho lo tla tsosa maqema mo. Phela o kitla shapa ko e nngwe Oscarina.
Yeah, yeah.
You see what I'm getting at?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Ene le motshameko o le mongwe fela during the week AmaZulu Golden Arrows.
What a goal by Hannah.
Oh.
What a goal.
Oh.
I think we should show them the goal, how the goal went in. So fortunately, Tep was doing the commentary on the game.
Yeah.
So I think we'll show the game and the goal that Hannibal scored on Tuesday. Well done. You did well.
Hallelujah.
You did well. You did very well.
Goal lele ikenamo. You know you're starting to have goals, but a goal of the season contenders.
Kadila.
Cut.
Cut.
No, unga yele ya the departing one to Chicago Fire. Kanga pambili kanga move ya TLB.
And then Yantwina yona.
Yeah.
Ya dancing.
Ya dancing weekend ya mo leona.
Ya Muremi.
Lalo rena kuta buhloko ka dancing.
Ya Muremi.
No mara ya Muremi taba number 4.
I'm just asking
No, na le goal tse di bona once mo seasoning.
not in a season in your lifetime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yele hana muboka repeat up mshem no. In fact kaofela batho ba ka repeat.
Yeah.
No, but that's about to try maybe 50 times again.
What they call.
And when you look at that, what it does for his confidence. Pela skalibala or hana mubinesa trend mo TikTok mole. For kila show me your number.
Yeah.
Milepelu le moya. Mara, what that does for the team. Again, good goalkeeper, 1-0, you win. Because Golden Arrows, again, Golden Arrows, the football that they play. But the thing that they need is to be able to be consistent. Because if you look at from when they're playing Skukune, when they were playing Marumo Gallants, when they were playing Sundowns, all those games, what a beautiful game. But a beautiful game must have beautiful goals.
You know, I went to Durban, KZN Derby, Arrows, AmaZulu. Then I'm going to see fireworks. But the Derby, like because both teams they play beautiful football.
You know, probably because of my experience in football, I've seen different derbies in 29 years of doing this thing. Derbies from Durban, ne? They never had that thing.
Yeah.
From time immemorial. The biggest derby would have been Durban Bushbucks and AmaZulu. Or AmaZulu and African Wanderers. Those were biggest derbies. But not at a big stadium like Mozambique. No. At a small stadium, Cleveland Stadium. Yeah, Cleveland Stadium.
Kings Park.
Carris Fountain.
Yo.
See,
Young
those stadiums, ne?
No, Digo guy.
They're in Durban. Those stadiums, Clip, ne? Bushbucks played at Cleveland. Remember the goal scored by Daniel Ramaruzzi?
Before my time.
Before he took the ball from his half
And go
dribbled
straight.
past until he scored. In that team, we had they marked him. They had Max Borumangen, became top goal scorer. They had Mervyn Hofflich. They had Stopper Mkhali. They had Dave Watterson. They had Bernard Gondwe. Yeah, you know Bernard Gondwe.
I know of.
Yeah. That team was something else. AmaZulu had Bo Timinzoi. Ace Makakula, all that team. Ne? That was before Amazulu won the league in 92, the Coca-Cola Cup in 92. So the derbies in KZN, proper derbies was Amazulu and Buchomlab. The proper derbies was Amazulu and Wanderers. And Amazulu and Pushbacks. Whether at Cleveland Stadium or at Caris Fontaine. Then lately they took it to Kings Wellington Stadium in Umlazi or at Kwamashu, at Princess Makoko Stadium in Guamachu. Because Amazulu's biggest following is in Kwamashu, besides Ulundi and Nongom. The biggest following is in Kwamashu. I don't know why they're not using that ground, because it's the proximity of the stadium to the people. Kasia Kwamashu, just a street. People can just go there like in numbers and fill up the stadium. But it has lost that thing because of recent results of Amazulu and Arrows.
But it's also the change of ownership that did not help.
Yeah, Arrows played the very bland, good football. Ne? But they're not consistent.
Yeah.
They win tomorrow, they lose. And then today they defend well, they create, everything they do right. But eventually they lose games.
Yeah.
You have a very good coach in Mangovan United. Why not use him?
But I think he's trying to build something. You can see
And
the
it's looking
identity. It's looking good, just need consistency.
Yeah, it's looking good what he's trying to build there. It's looking very good.
Because to become a good team, it's doing what you do week in and week out. The reason Pirates are at the top of the log is because they do what they do week in. You can tell week in and week out. That's what you need to be able to do. What you get in Golden Arrows.
So you're right. I started to about last week. So you're right, but the derbies in KZN have lost it, honestly. They need to recoup that spirit that derby KZN. Same as derby Pretoria. You know Sundowns and SuperSport United. That derby was we tried to pep it. We tried to talk about it. Tried everything, but it would never ever reach the heights of the Soweto derby. Remember Soweto derby at some point as well was dead because of the many draws that were played.
Nil draws.
All those nil draws that were played. It lost its touch as well.
The Soweto derby was like the Durban July. Nobody can tell you which horse won. Because when you look at it, the Soweto derby, the way Nonali draws and the Soweto derby was never a derby that decided where the league went.
No, never. Even this time in February, the first leg of the derby,
will give a big direction.
It's going to give some kind of direction of where the league is going. Sundowns must still play Pirates. Pirates must play Chiefs twice.
Wanda Mutlosi ko Botswana re go shebile mogaetsho pula ene ka kwa Africa borwa re nela thata me o le go gae moretsi ne ke re Christmas Day tle early re go ne matsetsele la direketseng ko Kingswell Tennis Stadium bare ka gore ne ke le go so ban roma gore re boeletse live mo studio sa rona no eo a ke tsora le ready gore re go tsholele yona
Mametswena o bo botsa rona as your voice moves chesa
KwaZulu-Natal bothotla re segetswe mo lefureng matshetsele batsetseleko bosela mapa jwa province ke mang khosi tota ke mang a busang province a re bona ba isibolla ko bora go etswa ka o lothe msimela a ye gope ba tshabeka bomphenya le bala ya go tswa jalo ka pule el Drakensberg o tshabeka ko thoko o tshabeka jalo le pule kana Haramop go tswa kona genya Namibia a o tla raga Haramop o tsa sebaka a re bone o tsa lebelo o feta ka mona wa ntla o diga legetla wa raga khwele kotsi wow matsetseleko morethito botse dula wemete e fapogile le ra go tshega se ke matsetse motho wetso dumela
wasibona skolo saka yes thanks Tepo. Thank you. Can I tell you something that you guys don't know? I met Tsepo in 2012.
In commentary booth.
Kom sebetsi.
Yes.
Ana re bereka kwa.
SABC.
Yeah, kwa SABC.
Yes.
Ne? And when I met Tsepo, he said to me, "Ish, but I'm a commentator." You know what I said to him? I said, "I was talking to Zingata about commentator. Believe that you'll be one." And he said to me, "I love this thing and I think it's going to be my destiny. If he allows me, I'll tell people what was he doing then. People won't believe. Or today, he's this man."
Hey, man.
Ke ba bolela?
Ba bolelle baba.
Tsepo na fiela ko mosebetsing. He was a cleaner. And I said to him, "No ways. You're not going to clean us there forever. I'll make a plan." He started commentating ko SABC slowly. I had left in Nagile Super Sport. And we started talking. That was 20...
From
15.
2012 yakwa.
Yeah, then we started talking like almost now and then. And I said, "I'll make a plan. Please." SABC had their own issues. I said, "Don't worry." I went to some producer, Ben Lumkwan. I said, "Ben, there's a guy who SABC was Tswana. Need that guy." Ben said, "Don't worry. Send me his tapes." Hey guys, I'm Kutu. If I can tell you what I did to get these tapes, because remember, property rights. I can't.
Yeah.
But rights and Toro. There's a lady, that lady, even today, I'll walk. She led me in my career. When I told her about the Super Sport, the rest is history. She helped us to get the tapes, send them to Super Sport, and then he had to do the other spade work by himself. Indoor, so the floor was there
That day.
for him to walk.
E batla episode ya teng fela re bua ka ona mara nta tseo. Na ke mo quota ke bolela ke mo quota ne ile mo botshelong. O mfile weapon. Now something you can play yona re dutse in a commentary booth.
Yes. I remember. I remember.
Anka ke le bana. Re mo botshelong.
O nyale mosadi o bohlale.
Ha o tlhoke sepe fela. O tlhoka fela o nyala mosadi
o bohlale. Fela.
Cancel.
Mosadi a bohlale. Done.
Cancel.
Your life is
So yeah,
complete.
re tla episode ya teng from
Tlwele commentary man, marriage counseling game.
yeah. So
But well done.
Go lebogana ba.
I'm proud of it. Between you and Mapensela, I've produced the best of the best.
But ikanga phambili, ikanga.
No, Reggie came to me in 2015 and said, "I want to be like you." I said, "Don't be like me. Be better than me and be yourself." Look at him now.
Ikanga phambili.
People don't know these things. They don't know these things.
But it takes a,
They think Reggie will less fighting, Tsepo will less fighting. No, there was strong guidance that I had to guide them step by step.
it takes
But you
a
can
lot.
hear the influence when they commentate. When I influence here something more. I'm so proud of them. Ne? I can't wait for Tsepo's first award. Tomorrow myself and Reggie are getting awards. The next one probably Tsepo's going to get it. I can't wait for his first award. The day he gets his award, whether I mengwe or I got mengwe, ki yaga chiki, lega chofa.
First award.
Yeah.
Baskabani babuka black label about first award.
I knew.
So Pretoria re le shebile, Qebega re le shebile, Mabopane re le shebile.
Yes.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Lagos. Totally the continent kana di toro.
Say hi to Igwe there.
Igwe.
No,
There
you
we go.
must say, Igwe, please watch the draw of the World Cup where you are not going.
Hallelujah.
Just watch South Africa.
There's a draw, Igwe. There's a draw coming somewhere around 7 o'clock.
As a segue, no, Mulan,
Hello.
that Hall of Famer, they must relook at it. It can't just be footballers only. There are people who contribute to football. People were called by nicknames when they were given awards. Commentators must also be in that Hall of Fame.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Zamama Sondo has been inducted
Okay.
into the Hall of Fame. And I looked up to him as well, just to deviate from our topic. I did look up to him for a long, long time. Sometimes when I get gigs out, say, Zwakala Madala. Yeah, kuna span somewhere. Say,
No,
and so song.
Mulwan.
Leona Mparai. Same story. Mpare bole. Yeah. The place gare tshwarela mo. Ra tsama.
Debate e tswela pele.
Yeah.
Yaanong mo ke batla mongwe le mongwe a bue pelo ya gagwe matlhale ya gagwe le sa se boneng mo ke batla mongwe le mongwe a bue sengwe le sengwe sa batlang go bua ka sone mme ke batla bue dipointe tsa go di be mo fatshe so that Africa borwa le lehatse ka bopara batla ba utlwe maikutlo a rona le go rona re naganang
Kang.
Abongile Tom
Ke kotsi.
referee a le mo
No.
yo Africa borwa e mo romelang ka ko African Cup of Nations a le mongwe fela Abongile Tom there was a game between Sundowns and Sikwelele
Yeah.
lina la Abongile Tom le bile mo di headline ntse di tshwantse ka be di bile a score line mare bogoba lina la Abongile Tom.
And I think Abongile Tom took away the headline, the Thunder ya Siwelele. Because what Siwelele did by keeping Sundowns were barely in the game. So in that, Abongile Tom, and no referee should be the one that takes the headline. Mara Abongile Tom is the one that takes the headline. One of the problems going, he is consistent at making bad decisions. And Ramon Lega VAR includes because Abongile Tom was supposed to have awarded Gabon a penalty, as we said the last time. I share for 3 minutes for why didn't Abonar no. Mara Honaji, as a Sundown supporter, Sundowns will be playing their first game in 2026 without Tebogo Mokoena. 2026, Dlala le batho ba bang. Taba senior citizens. These senior citizens are above us. And Abongile Tom is now costing us over a very clear polo.
Yeah.
And the first yellow card and the second yellow card, none of them should have ever been.
The first one, Gaibona, because they were push, they were like Potani and Mokoena, they were.
But football is a game of emotion. As a ref, what do you want to do? They'll come back because they'll respect the ref. When now the ref is the center of all attention. Because remember,
I think in a apply experience, how similar
the first game of the first round, Pirates versus Sundowns, when Orlando Pirates went to Loftus, Tebogo Mokoena was not there. Who gave him the final yellow card? Abongile Tom.
Okay.
Now we're gonna play again Pirates.
Sundowns fan.
No. But as a Sundown supporter, I can show you where he's gone wrong.
Yeah.
Mara, it's not just those games. There are other games. Yeah. The finals, the MTN 80. You look at, he is consistently bad. That's the one thing he's got. Consistently.
Which match you wish Abongile Tom awayetse ko African Cup of Nation?
Nigeria. Abongile Tom must do all Nigeria games. I want to see something. Hey, Bongs. Uzandata, right? Ngiyacoma ujongile. Mamela mfundini. Sibanike zonke igames zeNigeria pha eMorocco. I'll be like, well, I'll be ecstatic. I want to see something.
Baba Buelafa.
236 million people will be on his case.
So, Mpo, Abongile Tom, Zakhele Siwela. So far, this is our cream of the cream.
No.
Oh, sorry?
Rotochinja. Zakhele Siwela, cream. Nobody will debate Brazix.
Yeah. Ice cream is a mighty one.
So when you then look at Zakhele, he's very consistent. You look at his calls on B offside, B fouls, you can't fault the man.
Who?
Zakhele.
And then
Tom.
So
Tom is the opposite.
So get all of our opportunity.
Yeah.
So le kwalo la tswa ko SAFA or ko FIFA Mpo baba mthethwa, if you substitute a South African referee, let's say ontsha Bongile o tsenya mang?
Ke bona botata wa referees have been consistently bad.
Ngitsepile Mdluli ai kumatima. Gasa ai ngeke.
Jelly?
No. No.
Look, I'll say
Jelly Chiban. Nah, Ushapuda.
no.
Remember Jelly Chiban. Kasa is bad. Ushamara has joined the crew now. But
Is it okay to go
there's
without?
There's that guy, man. Are we winning ref of the year?
Akona?
Akona? Makalim.
For VAR.
Sister. VAR.
VAR.
VAR right down.
Why Limisa go VAR? Because I mean, why not?
No, Mara.
Mara Sepo, wa sa mo buelle wa ngwana re botsa ga ene.
No, I cannot.
Buelle. Ke a botsa why Akona?
VAR because she's one of the best.
The best
trained
VAR.
in terms of VAR.
A VAR already ba releasitse the
Okay, fitting.
You think okay?
Assist ba releasitse lineup ya di
Hey,
referee
no,
assistant.
kaofela. Hey, di
South Africa ba itwe fela. Ke se wela le
South Africa.
aba mo kenye
So,
system.
re kana rantsa abongile kana dula mo haya yo sheba di Phillies games or sheba di games stayed tsalang. Mo mahlobo everywhere. Maybe refresher course ya tsantse thome ona mo.
Motho ha bolawe ba gaetso.
No, yeah.
Ke mabla ileng mo yana.
Motho ha bolawe. Kore
What's up ba re?
ka tsona re motho ha bolawe.
Mamela he.
Re go bola re kgaola go go.
Mamela he.
Le ga o wela re kgobotletse ka maje.
Utlwa ba re
Botswana
Botswana.
ka letsogo mo gaetso re tsamaye.
Botswana ba re tsa thobane. O ba bolae. So go feditse.
Abongile
Ha o sa re mo yang.
Tsantsa e goal.
Tsa thobane o ba bolae o ba rute molao. Ke we what?
Abongile
Ewe.
I goal Bukun this December. Our Revada, whether kidi.
Mara Sundowns wa le sa batla bongile Thomso.
No,
Aba ile Bukung.
no.
Proven
Proven track record of.
Tsepo right motho a bolawe ya motho a bolawe ai.
Our mona. Beneficiary abongile Storm bad mistakes. Beneficiary abongile Storm bad mistakes because ka first round Pirates I dlala le Sundowns. Abongile Tom made it. Game during the week yellow card ya before. Now I'm starting to wonder. Do referees actually look what the impact of these yellow cards are? Because what cost?
Do players know the impact of the yellow cards?
Oh no, they do. Players do. They do.
Because you score, you take off your jersey. Remember that guy after scoring against Brazil?
Yeah.
World Cup. I mean, let me know who you against Brazil. You score against Brazil, you take off your jersey, and then we are straight go.
I mean, even against Liverpool, like TK got a second yellow, which was a red card. So sometimes yes, players need. But here's my thing: when players have made a mistake, I understand. Tebogo Mokoena was not supposed to be carded for a clean tackle. Clean.
Point.
Highly posted player, let them
that
get.
That one.
Mara.
That one
Against the Welele, clean tackle.
No, le nna ka litlo la ka ha ke leng teng le se ke se boneng. It's a clean tackle. I want to see pieces there.
A ke dikene ke a bona.
No, ka se dikene ka gore wa
A ke a bona, a ke dikene.
O benefit Pagani ka gore our first game after AFCON re dlala le lona. So we understand Pagani. You will enjoy the benefits.
Oh. Matsetsele.
Kanti ke bolaelwa nna.
And also more like a certain MTN 8 to kill a benefit ka abongile Tom.
So baba ka moso re ya go motong wa perekisi.
I studied there pen. That's what ka se aga ile. Studied there.
Limpopo province.
Limpopo. Yeah.
Peter Mokaba. Marumo Gallants ba tlhabani bantu or ba tlhabani ba se wele.
Tsepo ba mo rutile fela polokwana le plego di motong
wa perekisi.
Boss Diela,
Amatlala, Sekgosese, Joe Banana, Teflopo, Tabamopo,
every time ka di Sunday ha ke ya go Seshego ke ne ke ya go AME ke tsamaya le the late Papi Khomane. So that was our trip. Ha re ya go Polokwane ra go Seshego zone ke se zone 1 or zone 2.
Akere Papi was staunch.
Ra go AME ra go Jathapelo be re tsora go ira comment.
Ha ba dumela ba golobetse ba ka go golobetsa mo tabeng e go le ya Moria mola. Akere bone batle akere bone ba rile Kaizer Chiefs le a raloka wa Masio na nya ka FNB. ngeli chief telenga thuku iyambulukwane masioni aje FNB.
So here's a question here. Can I ask? Can I ask? I saw a question here. Can I ask? Thank you. No, I was asking the producer. Barry, so Tebza is the core of Sundowns. Without Tebza, Sundowns can't play. From what you said, that's not me. Ki Black Tea.
Tebza is the core of South African football.
No. No one asked you about South African football.
Hallelujah.
He said
No.
no.
Tebza-
But no.
Yes,
Black Tea.
yes.
He's not answering your question.
No, yes, Tebza is the core of Sundowns.
Thank you. That's your answer, Black Tea.
That's why hona le commentator ngwe player a setjhaba
Yeah.
ke o
Okay, motshameki wa setšhaba.
Mrambule.
Tebza Mrembolo. Po.
Tebza can't be replaced by anybody
No
else.
Arabile ke
Yes,
baba.
here's another question for Mpo.
Okay.
Say, but Sundowns could not win over Chipa while Mokoena was on the field. Nazo?
No, Mara, you can't look at one game.
No, but you spoke about one player.
The first one of the season.
Oh, I'm a bill. No, you spoke about one player. They're asking about one game. So
No.
what's the difference?
No,
Arab.
okay,
Mpo.
okay.
Mpo. Arab.
When coming back from Chipa, Sundowns,
Ka o
remember
lata
Sundowns
no.
had gone to America.
Bautabula kam. Yeah.
Opola Sundowns in America.
I can see.
No. So at that time, Chipa was best set for the preseason compared to Sundowns.
Okay.
Mara kita re tla ira di-plan, Tebza re tla mo kry-ela coach. Ka gore Tebza ana coach.
Jo.
Yo.
Yo.
But I told you, Rana coach.
No, ka re ke tla bua
Do
le
you
Penny.
agree? Do you agree?
No,
Hauna coach.
ke a dumela.
What do you mean? Thank you. Hauna coach.
Ana coach.
O kolobile.
Hana coach.
No.
O kolobile.
Cardoso.
Hana coach.
Mona yo. Kulule.
Hayi, usathi uminelani lihlile liliba lusu baba we bakai.
Setlhopha se sengwe se tswa ka ko Bloemfontein, se ya ka ko Limpopo province, se sengwe se tswa ka ko Gauteng province, se ya ka ko Limpopo. There's a big final that's happening in Limpopo province. Peter Mokaba Stadium, Kali knockout. Oh, mollo. Go tla nna thata. Matlhala ba katisi ka bobedi. Lafite, Coach Wadu, nantla go totobaletsa. Ke ba katisi ba babedi ba ba tshamekang bogologolong ba ibitsa carpet football. A ke itse ga jana ba ibitsang. Mme mo letsatsing la ka moso ra go bona seo. Mpho ba ba mtetwa ke batla go itse gore go wina mang. Ebile mokatiso go dirisa matlhale a feng go ya ka metshameko a itshamekileng go roba setlhopha sa Pirates kana go roba setlhopha sa Marumo Gallants.
Go roba setlhopha sa Pirates.
A re utlwe Mpho.
Go roba setlhopha sa Pirates e tlo ba because how lebella Marumo Gallants to get to the finals. They've beat Sundowns. They beat Sundowns Light under Mangoba Golden Arrows. And when you look at those two games, they were beautiful games. And the first loss here Pirates this season nailing Marumo Gallants. And
That's Kukun. First game, Kukun.
first,
Yeah.
also, Mara, you still agreeing with Marumo Gallants?
Yeah, Marumo Gallants.
He
Pirates
persisted
lost
Yes.
to Skukuni and Marumo Gallants. Only
So the
this
second
season.
loss here Pirates nearly Marumo Gallants.
Marumo Gallants. Then it was Mukuku.
So when you then look at that, Marumo Gallants as a team that used to be coached by Wadu, Coach Alex, ever since Afita, Marumo Gallants play beautiful football. When you look at the players, Mole, and then the addition after Chen, Ndlondlo Mole, has done well for the team. Because in this cup, Ndlondlo has scored what? 3 goals. In the cup. 3 goals.
Can I ask you a question?
In the cup.
On that.
Arubi has saved the team.
Is it?
So, sorry, Baba. Ndlondlo, Arubi,
Key players.
those are your impact players. Motsatsing la ka o sala.
And that defender, Kimang? Oben ka usko mautu, kutlas.
The defender ya
Ya Marumo.
Rtlamatla,
Agare nage agetse game ya Marumo. When abamfi game ya Marumo.
Wetsa Lupopo.
Yona ka yetsa. Akayetsa Lupopo,
Okay.
akayetsa Marumo, akayetsa Skukuna ni Pirates jwa. I was there and hey, kunzima madoda.
a re utlwe Baba.
Hello papa.
Motsatsing la ka mosho.
Pirates win.
Form team wins.
Pirates win, and Wadu is gonna come guns blazing. And I think it's gonna be that game where you ask yourself, who is he going to bring in? He's going to start bring Mabasa because he's the cup specialist, or is he gonna take really put him on the bench and Mabasa, because there's been the trend now. Mabasa already on a final, they start on the bench. They come in later as impact players. Will that be the case? I do not know. Secondly, in the middle, he's going to start with Mbule or Mbata, Nemtangela, and Nduli. We'll see. He's got variables that he can use. Okay, so then you look at the opposition, of which I don't want to talk much about because So Pirates has got this ammunition that they have that they need to utilize as fast as possible tomorrow. Otherwise, the longer it takes for Pirates to score, it will give Marumo Gallant a hopeful chance that they could spring a surprise tomorrow night.
Katlego tla disa ndaba ethethwa Ndlondlo Christopher Sithole Jason Mamang
Di threats.
yes wa go loga
Butsisa Makosi ba mo tseba.
Okay, ngahla bench.
against Chiefs
Butsisa Makosi ba.
It's a non-starter that one.
Marumo-
It's a
Marumo
non-starter
ka
that one. Aye.
The coach has got a tendency.
Una le lucky.
Adle.
Unenhlanhla.
Alate Edgar Manaka to marshal the middle.
Stiga
Stiga Manaka.
the experience
Ha Marumo e kora.
Ka buella ba ka siya.
motho o monate
No, why don't you ska
Ka buella batho ba ka siya motho.
No, ke rutsi ba polo.
A ke mahaneng.
no Stiga o
Rutsi
monate
ba polo.
Eh, manaka ke a first
most of the players tse di tshameka
Jwalo
ka
ka
osane
maona
ba
ba-
itlela Stiga tshameka
Jwalo ka
professional
mo
player a ball. Ke yona e.
Wa bona ha ona motho.
Ke yona e. E mona
Bana di beng. Ha. Bana di beng. Tamatala di beng. Stiga Manaka.
yeah
Handlondla
Popo.
fetsa o kora. Stiga Manaka will manage the middle.
remember bana le Mphambaniso
Bambaniso.
na le Mphambaniso
And o tsebe hore
Christopher Sithole
Ke man that boy tlalang ko morao hle mo.
bua ka the boy o tswang ko Ivory Coast
He's not a foreigner, he's South African. Ke man mfano ke na mtheke motshwang go morao la. Ke mfano med ka o se mo tlase mo.
producer re check le lineup ya Marumo Gallants ka bona go fao
Not
against Arrows
against Arrows, yeah. That will help us. That boy is going to be instrumental tomorrow. Since Kim Mona Dala, Kishaba game Marumo Gallant, consistent and he knows his work.
na
And that might be a problem for Pirates.
na ba
But Ndlondlo ke mtshabi.
ha re la ka kena.
Wa tseba le.
Ha re la kena.
Cooper S
Bratsepo.
Ah, no taba Cooper W ka usane.
o nga ithefo
Bratsepo.
o nga ithefo
Bratsepo. Ha re la kena ka usane.
yes
A ka jala mo mahareng. Ke a tsamaya stadium.
Why?
Ha ke batla ho bona kotsi.
O ya ka usane?
Ha ke batla ho
wa
bona.
tsamaya no
kotsi.
o tseleng
Ah, ya ga ya ke.
No re bona bomma.
Ke weekend ba fukula. Ba gae.
o kana ke weekend ya bomma
Ba gae.
Ra matlala thabo. So Mara, for me, really, as a number 10 in the second half, Marumo needs to be able to watch him because
Okay, na second half. I prefer it that way, Lenor. Raiders final. Again, coming from the bench. Ne? We see what they did to Stellenbosch and Sundowns. Ed Mbombela and Mbombela, both Ed Mbombela. Pirates can come with that mentality. Come 70th minute, slowly they pick up that game. 80th minute, Wamatwa.
okay
85. Yo.
Score.
Kapake rimdu.
straight score prediction and 3 impact players
Should I do it now?
yes sir.
Okay. Score prediction, Pirates win.
score.
Score 2-0.
okay and 3 impact players
Nemtajela. Say goodbye to Mbegezeli. And Continental. Muremi.
Posa
1-0. Ndlondlo to score
God.
to say bye to his former teammate
okay right
TLB. You've got to look at Arubi. It's going to be very key. Ndlondlo, Arubi, Stiga. Those are my top 3.
No penalties.
ka bokhutswana khono zolahla o mongwe o tle go lla
Senior citizen balahlile.
tsoetso re go apetse yone pele ga re etswala ke a kopa today 7 o'clock draw FIFA World Cup
You go by fixture 1. Go by game 1.
I'll be live.
hallelujah
I'll be live.
Ke kopa group ya rona, ke kopa ba be South Africa versus the United States opening game of the World Cup.
What about into
On that
France?
On that group.
No, France.
United
France,
States.
France is not.
Mfefela tse 3
France.
impose. Mfefela tse 3. USA.
Abakare fa USA. Abakare fa
Vanuatu.
Come on, Paul.
no. Hey,
Bua fela sa
There must be one big team, Scalabal.
Paul ska tshaba.
hey, there must be
2002
Yeah.
Senegal e makaditse le hearts. E ntshetsa ko ntle
from South
Scopas.
America, cause there will be somebody from South America.
Yeah, there must be.
Abakare fa
Uruguay ya kolota.
yeah, no. Abakare fa Suarez, but Wabo Suarez. Yeah.
Uruguay.
Is he not retired from international
No, as
football?
much as he's retired, what he did, yeah, re nwetse hore
Ke bolaelwa fela ho botsa potso.
eh o bolelwa yona.
Ngwana wa betheng.
And then
Suka.
Areka bola.
Europe.
England.
No. Kosovo.
No, abare fe puditse tsa bona tsa ho consider bo 9 goals.
Ya ke botswana bo Kosovo, ke bona bao, ke batla bona bao. Bo Kazakhstan.
Abakare fa bo Scotland. Akere Scotland le yona ya.
Scotland ba dlala EPL. Ba dlala EPL. And ona le Scott McTominay.
No,
Ona le Gilmore.
No, Robert
Ona le
Nugent,
Parkinson.
Robert Nugent. No, ba sharp, Scotland is sharp. Le South Africa.
What?
Only three tsa group
Yaron.
Yaron.
Hey, when I hate England ka passion. So ke ba
Start
batla
my
ba.
phone because about
Yeah, England na ke batle. You know why? It's a simple thing, ne? World Cup 2010. They didn't want the World Cup to come here. They always spoke about plan B, plan C, plan whatever. And they almost were sabotage.
So ra ro batla Italy fa.
Ke batla England.
Ga thuso
Ke tse England.
organizer qualify.
Yeah. Bila ka se
Batla
ibile
ba
o.
qualify.
Ba tla qualify le se banana o qualify.
Ka thuso le Nigeria ba kana ba
shebella ba.
blomme ka ho.
Yeah, ba blomme together.
England.
Yeah,
Mexico.
and then we only have another African country. Mexico, no. Don't sokolisa.
USA.
No, New Zealand.
Okay.
Can get New Zealand, and that's okay. And then South America.
Paraguay.
No, Paraguay is not going. Uruguay is going.
Yes.
Okay.
Messi.
Argentina. What are some I retire?
Ba tlo tsisa ka batho.
France.
During the people.
France. No, ke na le reason ya France.
Kisayan.
France.
Ke batla go wena you thinking.
No, batla Mobi a khutle. No, Mobi o tla ba le di
You know what is nightmares, man? Yes. From Europe, ne? I said England, and then I said New Zealand from Oceania,
Colonodia. Ba teng akere.
and
Colonodia.
giving you
Ne dlala under 20 ele. King
Caledonia.
Caledonia.
Was part of Zamalbo New Zealand in 21. So Aribali. Sibale New Zealand. The Gascony from two confeds. No, they
New
can't.
Zealand tsenye bone fa.
New
New Zealand try better. Yeah,
What
Zibalo.
will lead the beating team? Wa bona mo
Not possible team e re jamo.
Scotland tshwantse re.
Yeah, or was for a draw. And then also
Agree ba qualify.
Chris didn't qualify.
The Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Sweden.
Sweden ba ba di
No, by the playoffs.
ba sa di playoffs. Ibile ba ha ba wina le
Tsengata di playoffs since Ntswembu. Okay, mpe
Haaland.
Holland.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, maybe, yeah,
No
maybe.
way, yeah.
Haaland or Holland.
Haaland no.
Oh, bro, oh, defend wa ke ma.
Huh?
Ka hlo.
E ba gona le TLB ante.
Oh, let's go jwalo.
Ante o lebetso rekile Newt.
Okay, all right. No way. Kenya no way here. No way here. Yeah. No way. Yeah, and then lastly, I'll go with the team from South America, maybe Ecuador.
Ecuador.
Yeah.
Or Venezuela.
England.
If they qualify.
USA. Udla. England, USA, France.
Why France?
Bafunala.
Why?
France 98 Barshapile opening game.
Marijisi Ramos.
Ka Piesa.
Regisi
Uka-
uka tswara kwali. Uka tswara kwali ya motho o ijisitseng. O tshwaretse kwali. Ai.
Piesa no South African
New Piesa was. Le nna tsamtsebi.
France.
Yeah.
Denmark ba kae?
Denmark. Out.
Abateng.
Again.
Next.
O ska jwetsa Nico Mobi hore o batla France. Nico ke yo.
O tlo re bakela mathata. O tlo re bakela mathata.
USA ke a e batla.
Yeah.
Ko groupung ya rona.
Ona le kwale le Trump.
England ke a e batla.
Ona le kwale le Trump. Araba.
Ke na le ntwa le Trump.
Thank you. Una le kwale le Trump una.
Le ntwa e serious le Trump.
Good.
Yeah. So hona le possibility ya hore le skala ya World Cup le shebe mo ga yare.
No.
Go fela lona South Africans dulang ka mo.
Bon nalwena Sepo.
Ra tseba.
Kalari. Nalwena World Cup. Kalari. Studio 6 finish.
Yeah.
Fela mo.
So yeah, se fetwe. Super Sports ke karolo ya ditiragalo tsa draw here. Baba ke karolo ya ditiragalo tsa draw. So se fetwe matsetsele ko borra ene a peilwa la tsatsela gompieno.
Chiefs ya babala. Ulibet. Papa TS Galaxy Sunday. I'm there.
Chiefs.
I'm there.
No, bona.
I'm there.
Bona. 1-0 TS
Tejani
Galaxy. Ball boy utlokora.
Tejan, go.
Puso di Tejani. Akere ba Chiefs made
It's a big game.
No.
Massive.
Chiefs
Galaxy.
DJ fans. Son enemies. Kalabala 2019. Nedbank Cup.
No, Nedbank akebona. Puso has got personal issues to deal with Chiefs.
What's about the ball boy story?
So
The ball boy is gonna score.
Hana ke cheke rotong khang?
Tlang gasboot.
Tlang gasboot.
1-0. Puso di Tejani.
Gasboot.
Kere baba o ka boyetsa re tla o mamela.
Kimo, yes. Sunday I'm in Bombela. TS Galaxy against Amakosi. Hey, hello Mnat.
So Mataria nayo this week. My Italian Serie A this week.
No, I'm not doing La Liga. Are you doing La Liga or Serie A? No, we're not. I'm not doing it. Game ya Napoli le AC Milan.
Oh, no.
Baba before re tswala. Wa moitsi Dio. Wa itse papinio Dio.
Akahlama bana.
Oh Dio. So,
Khalek Pelama.
Dio New
Dio.
Zealander. Go tswa go setlhopheng sa
Oh, Dion.
Yes.
Oh.
Go tswa go setlhopheng sa
Kamel.
go tlhalositse ha setse a
sign.
dumalane le setlhopha sa Orlando Pirates ka sengwe le sengwe. So se ra
When's the pre-contract?
Kwadisa motshameki wa selebo seo o motsenya ko selebo sa setlhopha sa Orlando Pirates.
So seo se ra gore ke nna. Benedict Vilakazi, your record is very safe. Mabasa is not getting any closer to it.
Never. 52 goals. Safe.
Mabasa is not getting any close to it because Odlala the same position le Mabasa, and it seems Ore Wadu prefers Ngwana Sesi.
Mabasa.
So there's the all-time leading goal scorer
Vilakazi
will remain
52
less than
goals.
60. How can I get Pitoro about the all-time leading goal scorer Sundowns ke 100 plus mang ba?
Daniel Mambush Mutau.
Kati why Sundowns goes Rubua? Rubua ka sign ya Pirates.
I'm just saying.
All right, leading goal scorer ya football South Africa ne. Ish intelo hona la. Utashalulile.
Bona.
Intelo hona la Sundowns. 130 something.
Standards are here. Bon. Leading goal scorer in South African football.
All time.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Peter Shalulile.
Top goal scorer
Sundowns. Kimambush.
129.
Second, ulatela ki Peter, who's gone 100 plus. Ne?
Peter Kima.
Leading.
Peter Kima.
Peter Shalulile.
Oh.
Leading league takers in South Africa, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Hallelujah.
Mbusi kita igarabela uskawa. Nagready.
Oh no, unal record tsoring Pirates.
Yeah, I think
the number 2. The number 2 of all time.
Kemetse go utlwa maikutlo ga baba ka kwadiso ya Dion ko setlhopheng.
Nafona personally, I would not sign him. Ki putsa lebaka behind this. I was not even asked, Ivan. I was not even asked what or Atlas was Skatla. I'm trying to find the reasoning behind signing Dion. Ne? Are they trying to tell us something? Or somebody else could be leaving soon from Pirates? I think somebody is leaving at Pirates. Somebody is leaving at Pirates, so that place, yeah, Dion, we're talking about playing somebody.
Okay.
But for now, on a normal day, I would never sign Dion. from how he plays football and how Pirates plays. The two are two contrasts. I don't see any match between the two. But having a coach like Wadu will find a way to play him and make him shine. But remember, he can't shine on his own shine. He has to shine on other people's shine.
True.
That's what Wadu believes in, a collective. If he follows the collective norm at Pirates, he'll be a star. Star New Zealand, Al Richie.
Kempe ga Hugo Bruce talaning? At the 8.
That's our resident coach.
At the 8, ne?
Yanzosa Kempe Hugo Bruce.
Why?
Hugo Bruce has chosen form over experience. No, I'm just saying. In terms of form, he's well within his rights because Orlando Pirates are the team on form. So that's why you've taken Orlando Pirates players who are doing well. Moremi is doing well. Apollos is doing well. Rayleigh is doing well. Sbisa.
Yeah?
Sbisa is not doing well. TLB is doing well.
Which team has considered less goals?
No, I don't.
No, just a question. Just a question. Which team has considered less goals in the league? I'm just asking fair.
Less goals. Sundowns.
Okay, fine. Second
is Orlando Pirates.
Goals against Sundowns 6. Pirates against 5.
Thank you.
So Pirates are
You've got your answer then.
Sundowns.
Pirates is on top of everything. Pirates is in the final, Sundowns is not. Pirates is number 1 in the league, Sundowns is number 2. Pula here.
Sundowns are defending champion. About current champion. No, arrête so.
Christmas. No, current.
No,
Christmas.
Arrête so.
After Christmas.
And no,
current.
Pirates. The last time Pirates were top of the league.
Oh, what's Nako?
Yeah. Christmas. We never even knew COVID existed. So, Mara, har khutla, har dlala le Pirates. Shebe mo. Na le page ya Betway. A itshwane le amang kapa mang. Kolite mo.
Ki arabe?
We would be like
no, ka se piece ke kolite.
No, a ke bua ka taba goli, ke bua
compliment.
Se nna ke batla o se bua. Why batla o kgethana ke re?
No, why compliment?
No, ke re bua ka Betway Premiership.
And then ke tsena.
No.
Compliment fela ba.
I'm Betway, le betse. Eh, so o ka la ke re. Mamele. Star Saloon, le Star Saloon. Ke same thing.
No, as one. Stars Sundowns. Take a cloth, wipe it, it shines. Sehloka braso ke sa gaga.
Mara. Star. Whether ke sa gale o se se. Kula bona jezi ya Germany. Na stars guy. 4.
Mudim.
Kula bona Brazil. 5. Ne? So star. Whether you won the World Cup in 1970, 1958, or 1962 and 2002. Star papa. Or 1994. Star papa. So, kufila chance o bue.
Le club tsene di ja ke Pirates bo 11 men in flight. A di sa le.
Ne mara bona ba jile team e nngwe ba reng ke Power Lines ba ja 24 not. So why not Sabuya?
Power Line.
How is Power Line 24?
Power Line
24. By 24.
Power Lines nearly Nedbank. Wa bona club e correcting Chiefs ka goalkeeper Zamalek. Ke yona re jileng yona.
Bagolo pizza ene a peilo ya tsatsi la gompione ba ba mthetwa re kopana ko ka weekend.
This Sunday I'm live at Bombela Stadium Ematafini. It's the Betway Premiership battle between TS Galaxy and Amakosi Amahle. Can Mfundo Vilakazi and co shine this time? I do not know, but hopefully we'll see a good game of football. The Tejani is coming.
Poza
Bomma ba rileng itlang ha ile tlo bona final le bana baka. Tlo bona Marumo Gallants versus Orlando Pirates. Tla bona le dikeledi. Di phumule moratiwa.
Matsetele go motho wetso. Ba nra go apetse yone ya tsatsi la gompieno.
Alang wishes le jwa mara lona.
Oh, but ba ni ba
ke thola hot ka usana ba re nix.
Tsatsi la ka moso pele ga re tswala. It's a big day for the legendary Baba Mthetho. Ka moso ka ba apara gaone. O ka ba apara gaone. Baba.
Sena Maren.
Baba. Ba totobaletse yone gore ka bo go diragala mo tsatsile ka moso le botlhokwa thata mo khereng yago e o etsameng
amabedi matsatsi amabedi la usane ke I'm going to be inducted as a lifetime achiever.
Hallelujah.
So Tola Lifetime Achievement Award, Kausani, is an icon of Africa. Fagani mali ke.
And then the second one?
The second one, Kitlabeki Toba Dr. Mtetwa.
Okay, we celebrate anniversary.
Saya mo.
Okay.
Yeah, Toba Dr. Mtetwa. This time next year, I'll be called Dr. Mtetwa.
Hallelujah.
This time next year.
So kubele khubedu
No, not in December. Early in the year.
Okay, right.
So
Yeah. This time next year. Tabsenze give you
That the doctor.
Aba it's a schedule super sport. Laba sanguli baba Mtetwa. Laba ngola Dr. B. Okay.
So Pirates to chincha away, but it's back to the red.
So, itumela anniversary go baba. Ke a tseba gore di babole ya go wa moyeng. Thuntsa mabotlele. Ba fethu re tswalla fano fa futlela re kopana mona kunyetlang. Enene mollo. Nna ke re matsetseleko morethetho manyepa dinotsi. La ka mosho le itswi ke mmupi. Hallelujah.
Skalbal, Bahopuz, The Untouchables is the name of the show. All the time, every Friday from 11 o'clock, we are live here. The Untouchables, Tampoza, Pratsepo, and your president. The Untouchables, live on Omdi Audio Africa. Every Friday, midday. Anything you want to talk about, write your comments on the comments line and talk to us. It's very important that we tell the truth that goes with banter, but with respect and humility.
Bare experience here.
Bare abongile. Sorry, sibongile. Siyahamba naye makahambe.
Abahambayo bahambe, abasalayo basale, so sala sincenga. Thank you.